Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Lusso in Monte Carlo blue. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, gloss yellow brake calipers, lane departure warning, dual chrome exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, DUAL-PANE sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5669.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.